Hey, the first month of our new initiative was a tremendous success. I'll tell you about that coming up next. Hey everyone, Dan Polimino from KW Big Island and the Hawaii team, and I'm happy to announce that our very first month, June, of the Hawaii Team Giving Initiative was a tremendous success. So thank you to all those people who put their trust and confidence in the Hawaii team to help you buy, sell, or invest in real estate right here on the island. Are you ready for this? We gave away $6,000 to local charities right here on the Big Island. We gave 3% of our commission to local charities, and we're going to do it on every single transaction because as you've heard me say many times, there's great need here on the island, and I don't want to be one of those people that's part of the problem. I want to be part of the solution. And so 3 charities got $6,000 in donations. And again, if you're just watching this video or hearing about this for the very first time, when you use the Hawaii team to buy, sell, or invest in real estate right here, we're going to give 3% of our commission. We're so excited about this. And better yet, not only do we give 3% of our commission, but we give it in your name. We give it in the client's name. And so this is your way of using your dollars in the sale or purchase of your home to go to help local charities right here on this island. And if you are interested in seeing the charities that we are supporting, go to thehawaiiteam.com, click on the Sellers tab, and click the button that says Giving Initiative. And then down below, it'll show you all of the local charities that we're tied into, which is about 6 of them right now, and the list is growing. And the page will explain, again, more in depth about what we're doing. But I can't thank everyone enough. I mean, what a way to kick off this new initiative, right? With a big month like we did in the month of June. So again, we'd love to be of service to you. We'd love to help you buy or sell. And just know that some of those dollars is really going to help local people, kids, orphans, the homeless, pregnancy centers, food baskets. It goes on and on and on. And we're making a difference, and you're making a difference. So thank you so much. Again, if you'd like to talk to me more about it, contact me. Call me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306, or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. And until we talk again, aloha.